In 1 minute, Elle will show you how to make this beautiful infrared effect in Photoshop. In no time, let's get started. Click Ctrl+J to duplicate layer. Select the top layer and click Ctrl+I to invert the layer. Change the blending mode of the layer to color. Right now, the blue and red channels are inverted. Let's invert them back. Click on the adjustment layer icon and select Channel Mixer. Select the red, then make the red as 0%, then blue as 100%. Then select blue. Then make the red as 100%, then blue as 0%. Click on the adjustment layer icon and select Hue and Saturation. Make the hue as -35 pixels, then the saturation as 25 pixels. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.